You are probably watching this video because you have not used your 6th grade math Moodle page yet. So this is how you get started. It is pretty great. So when you scroll down, a couple of things that you really need to know about at the beginning of the year. First one, this tab right here, online textbook. If you click that open, underneath you'll see where it says Mathematics Book 2. This is where you will be able to access your online textbook for math. So if you do not want to bring your math book home anymore, you can always use it right online, and it's pretty slick. So this little spot up here, you can change the page number. So let's say your homework is on page 13. It automatically brings you right to the page numbers, and all of it is just right on your computer now. So you can leave your textbook at home if this works for you. Let's see, what else can we do on Moodle here? The next important tab, homework. If you click that open, it says click here to enter your homework answers. So if you get a homework assignment in class, you're working on it at home, we still expect you to write your answers on a sheet of paper, show your work. When you are all done with that homework assignment though, you want to go here. It opens up a second Moodle page that looks like this. So here's an example. Our first unit has all of these assignments that you'll probably need to do. So let's say it is page 16, 9 through 22. You click on that, preview quiz now, and you have all the places to enter your answers in right here. What's great about this, you can enter your answers in, and I'm just going to add a lot of wrong answers. I have no idea what the answers are, but we'll just pretend. What's great about this, you can enter your answers in for first few problems, hit check, and it tells you how you did, and I did horrible. Everything is red, that means it's wrong. Great thing about this is you can redo it, try it again, enter your answers in again. So when you come to class the next day, your homework, you should know exactly how you did on it, and your teacher knows exactly how you did. If a lot of people got number 10 wrong, then obviously that's something that you'll probably go over in class. If you got them all right, then there's probably no need to even go over it. So don't forget to type your answers in on this little homework Moodle page that you go to. All right, next, if you kind of keep scrolling down here, this checklist tab is pretty important. In class, you will be given a checklist to learn about, hey, here's what we're going to work on for your first unit. Your target checklist looks like this. I'll make it a little bigger for you. So if you take a peek, your first test is going to be on targets 1 through 6. What are those learning targets? Well, your first one is right here. Second one, order of operations, and so on. So we'll do another video on exactly how we're going to use this checklist. But do know, if you ever lose this, this is where you can go. You can go to your Moodle page, print off a new one, and this is what it looks like. This is a great way to keep track of what you know and what you still need to work on. So those are your checklists. Let's see. Okay, so then you're going to start getting into all of our math concepts that we're going to be doing. We call these learning targets. So when you scroll down, you'll see a whole bunch of them. I'm just going to go back up to your very first target, supplementary complementary angles. If you click on that tab, underneath you're going to find a lot of great information. You will have videos. Sometimes you'll watch these videos, sometimes you won't. But if you do, take good notes, and it's a great way to review and learn about this learning target. If you see this check mark right here, that's typically where you're going to do some practice problems. A lot of times we expect you to get a certain percentage because that shows us that you get it. You can't take your quick quiz until you show us that you get it. Khan Academy is often a great way to practice things. You'll see those. Always make sure you log in. And every time we practice a learning target, when we think you've got it pretty much figured out, we make you take a quick quiz. All of our quick quizzes are on Moodle. It corrects it right away, tells you if you know it or not, and then helps us know if we need to keep practicing or not. So just when you have some time, scroll through, try all these targets out. A lot of times There's multiple videos, so if the first video doesn't really make sense, you can watch another one. There are sometimes enrichments like this under targets. So if the target is really easy, you already understand it. Instead of doing some simple problems, you can choose, or sometimes we assign for you to do different problems that are a little bit harder, richer problems that can make you think a little bit more. So it's great when you see enrichments under here. All right, next and final thing I'm going to show you is this tab right here, Proof of Practice, to retake quick quizzes. If you don't do very well on your quick quiz, this is the tab that you want to click on because you want to retake your quick quizzes. There'll be another video explaining how to do that, but I just wanted you to be aware this is how you would go retake your quick quizzes. You complete POP, which stands for Proof of Practice. When you do really well at that, it opens this up so you can retake it. So play around, go through all the tabs, kind of see what you can find, but that is how you get started on your math Moodle page. All right, I'm going to fly back up here and don't make you dizzy. Hold on. All right, never mind. Okay, good luck.